Welcome to the online course, Fetal Heart Rate Auscultation. Auscultation of the fetal heart rate is an essential skill for nurses caring for pregnant women. Northwest AHEC is glad to offer a wide variety of perinatal continuing education opportunities. I am Mona Brown Ketner, a nurse educator at Northwest AHEC and the faculty member for this program. I am certified in fetal monitoring through the National Certification Corporation and teach both basic fetal monitoring and advanced fetal monitoring workshops each spring and fall throughout the Northwest AHEC region. I hope you enjoy this course and find it useful in your nursing practice.